So last week, Kathleen brought me an article, guys, talking about our vision and the hidden dangers of progressive lenses.
Yes.
How many of us wear glasses or contacts?
Sure.
Okay, let's take a poll here. How many of you have heard your primary healthcare provider ask you about your vision? Awesome. So there was a poll done among adults between the ages of 50 and 80 who received regular checkups, and only 42% of those adults said that their primary care physician or their general practitioner asked about their vision. We know how important our vision is to our balance because we do assessments where we close our eyes. It makes a huge impact. In fact, a lot of folks are surprised at the level of the impact that it makes. So in this poll, these guys were asked other questions as well. And one of those questions was, do you get regular medical checkups? And 2 of 5 said that they do. Let me say this, guys. You should get your eyes checked every year along with your ears. All right? That's your vestibular system. Extremely important when it comes to balance. You have 3 parts to the ear: the outer, the middle, and the inner ear. In that inner ear, you have 3 tubes that have fluid in them. That's where vertigo comes from, when these little crystals get out of place. Those tubes help orient your brain. They have a common nerve that runs to the brain and helps orient you in your space and time on Earth, right? Are you vertical or are you horizontal? The fluid in the ears will send a signal to the brain. Your eyes do the same thing as well. They have a common nerve too. If you're ever in a boat and you're rocking back and forth with the waves, but you're looking at the horizon, your eyes are telling the brain, no, we're stable, but the ears are telling your brain, no, we're all over the place. That's how car sickness, that's how motion sickness occurs. All right, you get mixed signals. In this article, and I got to tell you, as I was doing my research, there's mixed results on this. I mean, you've got some folks that will say no, progressive lenses specifically can cause some problems, but plain lenses without the line, guys, seem to be the better option for folks. You know how it just progressively changes. And so one of the reasons for that, they go through this article and they talk about and identify 10 major causes contributing to 3 million emergency room visits and 38,000 fall-related deaths among older adults. And those included medications, physical activity, dementia, neurological and metabolic disorders such as diabetes, and vision impairment. All right? So this is a great article here. I'm going to post it on the website. You can go to my website, resources, references and resources, and you can pull this very article. I don't want to spend too much time. There's a lot of detail here. This is a great article, by the way. So thank you very much, guys. If you have anything, bring it to me and we'll cover it, all right? But the main takeaway here is to make sure you get your vision checked at least once a year, all right? And those progressive lenses, guys, the hiccup is, folks, especially at night when lights are dim, folks, the vision would change on these guys and they would miss a step. If they're going up steps or if they're coming around a corner, something would be in the way and their eyes just didn't adjust fast enough. So, fascinating article, very interesting. You can go check it out at mybalanceuniversity.com, all right? Everybody ready? Any questions?
Yeah, and Chris, I have another theory about what people fall, particularly in the bathroom. When you're in the tub and you're washing your hair, that's what I wash, your eyes are closed.
Right.
And we know that from here, it's harder. I've gotten to the point where I brace my feet on other sides of the tub because my eyes are closed.
Yeah, yeah.
And a lot of people, I know people have fallen in the bathroom, and one guy in the tub had to call lift assist to get him up because. But I think it's when your eyes are closed, and particularly in the bathroom, that's a real.
So great point. The comment was, or theory that Kathleen was talking about was when you're taking a shower or you're taking a bath and you have to close your eyes to wash your hair. And that's very true. Unfortunately, I'm working with someone now that had fallen, broke their femur, broke their kneecap. It is a big issue. If you haven't done this at home or on YouTube, do an assessment that we do in every class. Feet are hip width apart, close your eyes, hold on to something, okay, and close your eyes. And you're going to see how important vision is. From there, you'll take your feet close together and again, close your eyes. And just in that change of width in your stance, when you close your eyes, there's a difference. When it comes to taking a shower, let me make this suggestion. There's two that I have. One, you can get the Johnson & Johnson No Tears shampoo. Most of us won't do that because we're committed to our shampoo, whether we have, curls or colored hair. I know, I'm a dad and a husband, so I understand that. Let me offer the second suggestion. Get you a shower stool. No joke. Get a shower stool. Don't mess with it. It's not something to play with. Or if you have a seat in your shower, sit down. All right? This woman fell in her shower, broke her femur and kneecap. She was there for 3.5 hours. Not only that, she had some complications with the surgery. The rod that was placed in her leg failed, came loose, and fell out of the bored out femur, through her kneecap, and hit the top of her tibia fibula. Her leg is now about 3 or 4 centimeters shorter than the other leg, and she has major back problems. All because closing the eyes in the shower and she fell, okay? Don't take that risk. It's not worth it. Your mobility is everything. Your leg strength is gold. Great point, all right? Any questions, comments? Everyone good?
Always take a bath.
Yeah, always take a bath. All right, let's rock and roll. Let's have you stand. We'll go behind our chairs.